Welcome back. It is another Wildcat Wednesday, and we've got Stephanie and Christina joining us here from the Wildcat Extension District, here to talk to us about a couple of really awesome programs, great programs for this area. Let's get started with you, Stephanie.
So I'm a SNAP Ed Nutrition Assistant with K-State Research and Extension. So I teach nutrition classes to youth, 3rd through 5th grade, and also high school.
Let's talk about what SNAP is.
So SNAP is Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. So we teach nutrition classes to people that are low income or like they have free and reduced lunches, like with schools, like teaching in school programs too.
Okay. And how about you, Christina?
Yeah, so I work for FNIP, so that stands for Expanded Food and Nutrition Education Program. I also work in school, so I do middle school ages, and then I also do new and expecting mothers, caretakers of youth, and just as well children. So yeah.
Do you guys have any classes that are coming up here pretty soon? Or programs that you've been working on preparing for?
Not at the moment. I kind of just started 2 programs, so I'm just working through those.
Tell me a little bit about those.
So I am working with V Clinic at the moment and ARMA Junior High. Junior High. And so with my V Clinic class, I am doing Eat Smart Move More. So basically that's 8 to 10 lessons that we do kind of like in 5 weeks. And it's just about making sure that they are making healthy recipes, budget-friendly recipes. We teach easy exercises. And then with ARMA, I am doing CHIF. So it's just 6 lessons, also kind of like about My Plate and easy recipes.
Tell me a little bit about My Plate, what that is.
So My Plate has dairy, protein, fruit, vegetables, and I'm trying to remember if I'm missing one.
Grains.
And grains. And so basically it's just kind of like talking about the intake that you should have each portion, and just making sure that you are having all the correct portions and correct things throughout the day.
And it sounds like you guys are connected with several schools already, but you're always open for making new partnerships. How would somebody go about doing that?
So really, if they just contact us, and our classes have to be like 45 to 60 minutes. So if there's that amount of time, and if they're willing to have the fidelity of the 6 weeks that we need with their students, then we can really partner with any schools that are open to it too.
Is there a cost involved with that
Nope.
partnership?
So our classes are all free. So there's no cost for anything. So it's just anybody.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
All right. And you guys are both fairly new to the Wildcat District.
Yes.
Tell me about your background before getting into it.
So I started in April, and I'm actually a student at Pitt State. So my position's actually a student position. So my major in college is Family and Consumer Sciences, which essentially there's agents with our district that are Family and Consumer Sciences agents. So I kind of got into it that way. I've always thought an extension agent would be what I want to do. So this is getting me
Get your foot in the door for sure. Cool.
Yes.
And has it been everything you thought it would be since it started?
Yeah, I actually I really enjoy it, and it's fun to see the kids actually learning and actually participating and really enjoying my classes.
Awesome. And how about you, Christina?
So mine is completely different. I'm kind of still in college, and I'm trying to find out what I really want to do. So I had a friend that told me about this job, and I was like, well, I like helping people, so I'll give it a try. And they did let me know that they were looking for a bilingual person. I was like, well, maybe it's the perfect position. So I went ahead and applied, and here I am. And so far, I do really like it.
And how important, because it seems like you guys work with you work with all age ranges, like the youngest little kids all the way up to seniors.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why is it important to start with the kids so young?
Well, starting with kids, kind of it would be whenever you're kind of going to a store, it's better for kids to know what they should be having, or how much, or knowing to put limits on themselves sometimes. And then also you just really never know what kids are going through at home. So also letting them know how to kind of get the basics of learning how to cook and nutrition, just for just the basics of just knowing what they should be eating as well.
I suppose it gets them excited about eating and trying different
Yes.
foods too.
Yeah.
So we're almost out of time here. Is there something else that you guys wanted to add today, or?
So I mean, really just if anybody's interested in programming with us, like feel free to like contact us, and we're always willing to try to figure out whatever works best for both of us. So
Okay. And where would they go about? We, of course, will have links to Wildcat District. Just contact you guys through the phone number on the website, or?
yeah, so the phone number for our office is on the website, or they can also email us. Our emails are also on the website too.
Yeah.
And we'll put a link to both of those on our website,
right.
newsnow.com, where you can watch this segment.
All right.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.